Welcome to J&J's test video of SXMA 323, 57,000 mile 1999 Miata, hitting the left rear. Five-speed leather interior, meaning a limited slip. That's got a roll cage in it, a decent top on it, some nice seats, windows roll up and down, orange cage, some nice leather, little radio. She runs good, she sounds good. There's no miles on her. See if she moves. And there we are, 57,193 SXMA 323. Thank you.